I wanted to introduce you to Beth. She's the one who did the ad. We want to answer this question here that says, can you tell us more about your business? So we wanted Bethany to read some ad copy that she did and explain what the business is all about.
Gibby, the Big Five, and the 4 color seasons are all forms of categorization, whether that's what colors or clothes look best on you or your own personality. But what about interior design? Your home is where you spend most of your time, and feeling comfortable in that space can drastically affect how you feel. What art to get, what colors to choose, and what looks good together. It can get overwhelming fast. That's the exact problem that decodna tries to fix. We give you a comfortable start to your design journey. So where do you start? Linked in my mom's bio is an entirely free quiz. You'll be categorized into one of the 27 types and also given a breakdown of your design preferences. If you want to know more about how she categorizes these types.
She has a hard time with this. If you want to know more about how I categorize the types, you can purchase the guide. It's linked in my bio. There, I said it for you, so you didn't have to say it.